Hello, gentlemen. I'm Doctor Sofia Carter, and if you've been with me before, you know I'm not here to sell you on complicated pills or outrageous surgeries. I'm here for the truth, for the simple science-backed solutions that actually work. Today, we're talking about a topic that is far too often shrouded in shame and silence. We're talking about that very specific, very frustrating moment when your body starts telling you, I'm just not what I used to be. The loss of that spontaneous, confident vigor. The moment you start wondering if your days of feeling fully potent are behind you. And I want you to know it is not a foregone conclusion. Your body is not broken. It's just out of sync. The solution, believe it or not, isn't in a pharmacy, it's in your pantry. I'm going to share a simple, ridiculous, almost unbelievable hack that takes just 60 seconds. You can do it in the privacy of your own kitchen with an ingredient you probably already have. It is a daily ritual that can fundamentally restore the biochemical and neurological signals that control your vitality. And while the goal is a return to that youthful, confident, and very unmistakable sign of life, the side effects are even more profound. I'm talking about a specific nut. No, not just any nut. A particular kind of nut, or a combination of them chewed in a very specific way for a very specific amount of time. I am going to give you 2 powerful nut options and one incredible combination that can turn your body back on. This is the kind of simple, potent advice that urologists like me discuss behind the scenes. This is the truth about what it takes to support your body's innate power. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple secret to getting your manhood back online. First, let's clear up a major misconception. When men experience issues with vigor or intimate performance, the immediate assumption is that it's a plumbing problem. A simple issue of blood not getting to the right place. And while blood flow is absolutely critical, it's not the whole story. The real underlying issue is often a lack of a specific microscopic molecule called nitric oxide. Think of your arteries and blood vessels like a garden hose. Blood flow is the water coming through the hose. Nitric oxide is the signal that tells the hose to relax and expand. Without enough nitric oxide, the hose stays crimped. And no matter how much pressure your heart puts out, the flow is weak. As we age, a number of factors conspire to deplete our nitric oxide stores. Chronic stress, poor diet, a sedentary lifestyle, they all contribute to the breakdown of this vital molecule. Without it, your blood vessels, particularly the smooth muscles in the penile arteries, are unable to fully relax and dilate when they receive the command to do so. Our 60-second chewing hack is designed to do one thing, and one thing incredibly well. Supercharge your nitric oxide production. We are going to use the raw power of specific nuts to flood your system with the building blocks it needs to repair that crucial molecular signal. It's a quick, direct hit of pure vascular fuel. If there is one single nut that is a pure, unadulterated powerhouse for male vitality, it is the walnut. While all nuts have their benefits, the walnut stands alone in its unique and potent impact on intimate health. The benefit of walnuts is fundamentally twofold. First, they are absolutely packed with a crucial amino acid called L-Arginine. L-Arginine is a direct precursor to that vital signaling molecule we just discussed, nitric oxide. When you consume L-Arginine, your body's cells, particularly those lining your blood vessels, convert it into nitric oxide. This microscopic molecule then immediately goes to work as a powerful vasodilator, telling the smooth muscles within your blood vessel walls to relax and expand. By making a conscious habit of getting a quick concentrated dose of L-Arginine from a natural source like walnuts, you are providing your body with the raw materials it needs to keep your entire vascular system functioning at a high level. It's an intentional and effective way to ensure that your plumbing remains open and responsive to your body's signals, providing a clean and unrestricted flow. But the power doesn't stop there. Second, walnuts are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically a plant-based form known as alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned throughout the medical world for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a silent killer of vascular health. It is often fueled by poor diets, processed foods, and a sedentary lifestyle, and it works quietly to stiffen your arteries, damage their delicate inner lining, and the body's natural production of nitric oxide. By getting a concentrated dose of omega-3 through chewing walnuts, you are actively fighting that inflammation, helping to maintain the long-term health and essential flexibility of your blood vessels from the inside out. It's like applying a soothing balm to the inside of your arteries. The unique benefit of the walnut is that it hits both of these key areas in one simple act. It provides the direct building blocks for an immediate boost in nitric oxide, and it offers the long-term structural support of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. The L-Arginine is the immediate spark, while the omega-3 is the consistent fuel that keeps the entire process running smoothly. A 60-second focused chew of walnuts, whether in the morning to start your day or before bed for nightly restoration, is a deliberate and intentional act of self-care for your entire cardiovascular system. It is a fundamental way to support your body's innate power to heal and restore. If your primary goal is not just the mechanical act of enhancing blood flow, but a more direct and profound hormonal and mood boost, your chosen nut is unequivocally the almond. While other nuts serve a vital purpose, the almond offers a unique blend of benefits that directly target the psychological and endocrine aspects of male vitality. Almonds are a true nutritional powerhouse, but their unique and singular benefit for masculine health comes from their incredibly high concentration of two cornerstone minerals, magnesium and zinc. These two elements work in a dynamic and powerful partnership within your body. Let's start with magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral involved in over 300 different enzymatic processes in the body, and its most relevant role for us is that of a powerful nerve and muscle relaxant. A staggering number of men today are deficient in magnesium, and this deficiency manifests in a state of chronic low-grade tension, tight muscles, constricted blood vessels, and a nervous system that is perpetually a little bit on edge. Magnesium helps the smooth muscles in your arteries relax, allowing blood to flow more freely. But its benefit is much wider than just that. It is the perfect counterbalance to the chronic tension of modern life, soothing your entire physical and psychological state. When you are magnesium sufficient, your body simply operates with greater ease and less strain from your muscles to your heart. Zinc, on the other hand, is a cornerstone mineral for male health, acting as the very linchpin of your hormonal system. It is a direct and necessary precursor to the production of testosterone. Research has consistently shown that even a marginal or subclinical deficiency in zinc can lead to a noticeable drop in testosterone levels and a corresponding decline in energy and mood. By consistently providing your body with a concentrated dose of zinc, you are giving it the foundational raw materials it needs to maintain a healthy hormonal production line. This is not about introducing synthetic hormones into your body. It's about providing the basic foundational building blocks for what your body is naturally designed to do, allowing it to work at peak efficiency without outside interference. By chewing almonds for 60 seconds, you are providing your body with a powerful 1-2 punch of these two essential minerals. The magnesium works to calm your nervous system and relax your body, creating a peaceful and receptive environment. At the same time, the zinc is delivered to fuel your hormonal engine, ensuring that the resources are available to keep your testosterone levels healthy. This synergistic effect, where one mineral calms the system and the other fuels it, is the core of the almond's power. It is truly the ultimate feel-good nut that supports a better mood, promotes more restful and restorative sleep, and gives you a renewed sense of inner drive. This simple daily ritual is a direct act of self-care that addresses the roots of male aging from the inside out. Now, for those who want to cover all the bases to support nitric oxide, testosterone, and all-day energy, I have a third option that combines the best of both worlds. I call this the Power Chew. This is a mix of almonds and walnuts. We're going to take the L-Arginine and Omega-3 from the walnuts and combine it with the zinc and magnesium from the almonds. This is a complete holistic hit of everything your aging male body needs in a 60-second ritual. But the real magic of the Power Chew comes from the act of chewing itself. We are not just swallowing pills here. We are actively engaging our bodies in a physical ritual. The act of chewing, particularly the vigorous chewing of hard nuts, triggers a fascinating neurological and physiological response. It sends a signal to your brain that you are consuming real high-quality nutrients. This signaling process, which involves your vagus nerve, tells your body to prepare for a meal. It stimulates enzyme production and prepares the gut to absorb these vital minerals more efficiently. Furthermore, the act of chewing stimulates the production of salivary nitrates. Your saliva contains nitrates that, when combined with the L-Arginine and Omega-3 from the nuts, get converted into nitric oxide right there in your mouth. You are literally jump-starting your nitric oxide production before the nuts even hit your stomach. The 60-con Power Chew is an intentional, mindful act of giving your body exactly what it needs in a way that maximizes absorption and benefits. It's a moment to focus on yourself, on your health, and on a ritual that has been proven to support male vitality for centuries. Here is exactly how to perform the 60-second hack. It takes no more than a single minute, and you can do it anytime you need a boost. I recommend doing it first thing in the morning to set your system on a powerful, positive course for the day. First, take a small handful of your chosen nuts, either walnuts, almonds, or a combination of both for the Power Chew. You don't need a lot, just enough to fill the palm of your hand. Now, place them in your mouth. And this is the most important part. You are going to chew them thoroughly. Don't just chew until they're broken down. You are going to chew them until they become a smooth, buttery paste in your mouth. You want to activate all the enzymes and all the salivary nitrates you possibly can. The more you chew, the more you release the nutrients and activate the process. It sounds simple, but you will be surprised at how long this actually takes. It will take you a full 60 seconds to thoroughly chew that small handful of nuts into a smooth paste. Take your time. Be intentional. Focus on the taste and the texture. Once you have a smooth paste, swallow it and follow it with a large glass of water to aid in digestion and absorption. And that's it. 60 seconds. You have just sent a direct, powerful biochemical and neurological signal to your body to relax your blood vessels, to fuel your hormonal engine, and to promote an environment of overall health and vitality. The beauty of this hack is that the results are both immediate and cumulative. You might not notice a change on day one, but after a week of consistent practice, you will likely begin to feel a subtle but profound shift. Your energy will feel cleaner, your focus will be sharper, your mood will be more stable, and one morning you may wake up to that very unmistakable and very welcome sign that your body is back online, that it is working as it should, and that it is fully restored. That is what this is about. It's about a daily physical reminder that you are still a vibrant, capable, and healthy man. That sense of confidence, that knowledge that your body is still working for you, is what truly fuels intimate connection and personal power. This simple act, performed consistently, is a powerful antidote to the silent creep of aging. It's a way to reclaim your vitality, not with a pill, but with a simple, natural food that has been nourishing men for thousands of years. So tonight, try the 60-second chew. Start with a handful of walnuts or a handful of almonds or a combination of both. And tomorrow morning when you wake up, pay attention. Your body just might be giving you a very positive report. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more simple, science-backed health hacks, and share this video with a friend who might need a little nightly reset. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to give the 60-second chew a try. I'm Dr. Sofia Carter, and I'll see you next.